woke up, so my hair is so ugly. So we'll be rating some old squishies in my paper squishy box. It's right there, my paper squishies. First up is this. It's bad taping. Super bad. You're out. Sorry. Out. Now, this one. It's super ripped. Super ripped. Now let's find this one. It's not even squishy. Ugly coloring. He's out. Sorry. Now, for the other one. Here. This one is my old cake I made. Out! Out of the window, yeah. This is my chocolate bar that I made. It's like Wonk. It's a chocolate bar and it's not even squishy. It's just all color brown. So out. It looks like dog poop. You are out. Sorry. He's in the bed. Whee! Dead. There's more paper squishies that is old. Look at my new squishies I made yesterday. Hockey and a cell phone. I made those yesterday. Make sure you don't take it or else I'll punch you. And this one, it's here. So you're out. He's in the bed. Yuck. So let's find more ugly squishes. This one, it's not even squishy at all. I just put paper inside because I thought it was a great idea too. So it's squishy, so I crumbled it and I whoosh. Then it's not squishy. How is it not squishy? I want to cut it open. He's like boom. I'm just squishing some squishies. Okay, that's all for today, guys. See you in the next video. Subscribe and like this video in 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All done. So you make sure to subscribe so I can reach 1K subscribers or 100 subscribers. So bye bye guys.